get it right. It's the unity of purpose in your class. High cohesion's the key. Let's make it last. It's cohesion, keep it strong, working together all day long. Focus each class, keep it lean. Cohesion makes your code so clean. When methods and fields have a common goal, that's high cohesion, it's on a roll. Minimize scattered purposes, keep it clear. With cohesion, your code will persevere. It's cohesion, keep it strong, working together all day long. Focus each class, keep it lean. Cohesion makes your code so clean. Classes are focused with purpose tight. Your code's easier to read, feels just right. Maintainability is high, errors are few. Cohesion in code, it's good for you. It's cohesion, keep it strong, working together all day long. Focus each class, keep it lean. Cohesion makes your code so clean. In O, cohesion's key. How your methods align, can you see? High cohesion, no more mess, your code will shine. At its best, it's cohesion, keep it strong, working together all day long. Focus each class, keep it lean. Cohesion makes your code so clean. So when you code, remember to strive for high cohesion. Keep it alive, unified purpose in every line. Cohesion will make your code divine.